getting ready because we will go to the city center, Rhodes City Center. And I will show you guys our room next time because it's chaotic right now. I will just show you the view when you go outside. Wow. Ooh, somebody's parasailing. We already went to the beach the whole morning and we rested a little bit. And now let's go. We're super touristy with our hats. Our hotel, Pegasus. We're staying here for a week. This is our bus stop. Good morning. That's our everyday view here. I will show you the resort where we are staying. So our room is somewhere there, and this is the way to the beach. The pool is somewhere there, but we never use the pool. We always stay in the beach. And this is the beachfront. Guys, here they have like a cat area. Look. Hello. Hi. Hello. Go for the other one. Oh my god, Smurfy, is that you? Look at this one. Hello. Hi. Hi.
This is Murphy.
You want to come with me?
This is like Murphy.
Saman, you wanna come home with me? You wanna come home with me?
I think that's not a Smurfy.
This is the best trip ever.
Why? No.
Highlights are the kids. We are here in Kalitea Thermal Spring. The room tour is the main door, and here is the cabinet. We put our empty luggages and our clothes. And here is the bathroom, bathroom, bedroom. This is our bed, the sleeping couch. You can convert it into a bed. We have TV that we never use. Here is the ref that's empty. We only have water. Our table. And we have a balcony. We have a very nice view every morning. Here is our balcony. Our stuff from the swimming we are drying. That's all for our room tour. This is where we are staying for the whole week. Mana, mao na to siya. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed my room tour.